So in our previous session, we have discussed how to create a wall, right? What is wall center line, finish face exterior? What were the different types of wall that we can create in this software, right? So today we will learn how to apply different materials to the walls. After that, we will see how to place doors and windows, right? So we will study how to place doors and windows on wall. So if you have downloaded the software, you can work simultaneously on the software as well while attending the session, right? So that you can understand this better. Software will your process if you are want to for it. After that, what we were doing is we were working in projects, right? We can either work in project or in families as well. So first we will work with projects. So I will click on here new. From new, I will choose here a different template. So that was the default template. I have already told you these templates already have some default setting in this, right? So click on it. Okay. After that, it will take you to the default template, right? So we will be working in architectural units, that is feet and inches. You can also work in metric units as well, right? But we prefer imperial units for architectural work. So here, this was your user interface, right? So let me bring this drawing area here in the center, right? So in our previous session, we have started wall. The shortcut for wall was WA. So you can click on this drop down menu. You will see here three different types of wall, right? One is architectural wall, structural, and wall by phase. So we had started with architectural wall. In this architectural wall, further we had three different types of wall. So if I click on this properties palette button, here you can see the first type of wall is basic wall. Secondly, we had curtain wall, and last one was stacked wall, right? So we had created here some generic 8 inches wall, right? So let me just give you a brief hint about the previous session as well. So if you click on this generic 8 inches, you can choose here it is connected up to level 2, right? The location line from here, by default it is wall center line, right? And you have selected the line from here. You can also select arc as well as rectangle, polygon, or circle as well. If you want to create a circular wall, click on here, right? After that, you can create a circular wall like this, right? If you want to see this, switch to 3D and you can see a circular wall here, right? Change it to shaded, right? You can again go to this wall here, architecture wall, right? So from here, you can choose any type of lines, right? It can be an arc, polygon, circle, or arc, anything, right? After this, you can go to